Berkshire Road, then turn right onto Jolly Mog Road.
On the road, headed back to New Orleans, driving in the country past old-timey scene. Big birds were singing in the tall willow tree. Mighty fine. Three words written on the paper bag. I miss you was written in a message in black. Thrown in a van, it's 1,000 miles back. A better time. And how many souls and times that I've told, places that I'd wanna be, and how many days when I could have stayed instead of just getting up to leave. And given we make time, I'll meet you down the line. Long coat, walking on a New York street. A pack of crushed cigarettes fell to her feet. Well, ain't it odd how some people meet? But that's the truth. And two pictures buried in a guitar case. Underneath the music sheets all over the place, I caught a glimpse of the sweetest girl's face I ever knew. And how many souls and times that I've told, places that I'd like to be, and how many days when I could have stayed instead of just getting up to leave. And given we make time, I'll meet you down the line. And all the days from now to then, if they never seem to come or to go, find me in your memory to keep you from getting so low. And given we make time,
and then yesterday,
I'll meet you down the line. Down the line. We'll meet up down the line. Down the line.
No, we're not doing it for that price. They'll do it as their last priority.
Oh, there you go.
If you had the chance to make more money and someone was giving you fuck all, which one would you do?
Well, maybe it was fate when you walked in the door. I could have sworn I've seen your face before. So glad that you said hi, 'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened if you just had passed me by the night? We keep on drinking, keep on wishing for someone out there to hold. All those little moments, the bus you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time.
what it was. They're a limited edition ones, aren't they? But they don't make
Well, I left Chattanooga, boy, had $1 and a dime. Headed out from Nashville on the Hard Rock line. I'm working on that old steamboat and learned to ride and steer. When my feet had touched dry land, how happy I did feel. Been saving every penny for to make up through the fall. Working for that dollar, but it never adds up at all. But coming around the river bank where the old train was so sane, the very next thing you hear from me, I've been tied to a ball and chain.